Oh yeah. Well, hello there everybody. Today we're going to be doing a test on this saw right here. It's the Olmstead Forge little saw off of Amazon. So let's just get right to the fun part first. We'll get to do some cutting and then we'll talk about the saw. Okay, so for a comparison here, we have Corona. Now, this is a 10-inch blade, so yes, it'll give you a little advantage. But I think just to give us at least some sort of idea to establish a baseline, we'll cut through this and we'll just go through this limb here. So let's see, we'll go with the Corona first. Not sure what this is, but it's definitely some nice dry hardwood. Okay, so that was that. All right, now this is a shorter blade, so of course it's going to be a little, a little more work. Okay, let's just keep ripping through it. Okay, let's do the Corona again. I gotta say, just going by feel without looking at the times, I feel like this is going through the wood a little faster. I don't know if you guys were keeping count there, but it's about 7 to 8 strokes more on the Corona in general. I'm not really making this video to necessarily compare between the Corona. I'm just showing that as a baseline, it is a well-performing saw. I mean, I think it feels smoother. Corona again. I'll try and take similar size strokes. Oh yeah, I'd say this saw is going through it a little faster. Nothing insane, but oh yeah. Well, okay, so I'll have to run some times there. I'll have to look at some times, but I mean, between the two, is it I don't know. It's not a speed contest personally. I'll be happy taking this Corona in the woods any day. I just wanted an extra saw. Took up a little less footprint in the pack, but I would say just going by feel, I feel like this went through the wood a little bit easier. Now I will say that I think in general this saw is more comfortable. It's got this, it's almost like a cork-like texture on the grip. It feels like a rubberized kind of cork material, but it's got this nice spot for your thumb right there when you're cutting, which is, it's very comfortable. The handle's very comfortable. I really like it. Also, I just kind of like the look of the thing. It's a nice looking, saw in general, I think, which is, whatever it's worth. This is what is this? This is a 7-inch blade on here, I believe. So I like it. Saw it feels plenty heavy duty. It doesn't feel any, I mean, comparing it to say this Corona, it doesn't feel any cheaper to me. Feels like it's just as heavy duty. The blades seem to be the same width. I don't know if there's a way I can show that. There we go. Okay. So yeah, the saw seems to be great. I'd say it'd be well worth whatever it costs. I don't know. I don't remember what the cost. It was just a little over 20 bucks, I believe. So it's going to be a great saw to throw in the pack. Now, another thing I noticed with this is it has a 3-position click on it. So the blade locks into place like this, and like this, which I don't see this being any use. I don't really know what the purpose of this is. I don't know. I'm gonna try actually cutting some wood with it clicked in like this and just see what it feels like. Well, I would say it definitely works just as well. I don't know. Maybe it would be. I'm holding these little pieces. But, so I don't know. Maybe it would be, I don't know. Is it a handy? I guess it's there. You can use it if you find you like having it in this kind of odd position. Then maybe you like it. You know. Otherwise, though, I think this is a great saw. And I like it a lot. So I think that pretty much does it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching. More stuff around the corner. Hope you guys are all having a great day, and I hope you're doing well.